Outsourcing. Outsourcing is the process of contracting of business function or specific business activity to specialized agencies, mostly the non-core areas such as sanitization, security, household, pantry, etc. are outsourced by the company. The company makes a formal agreement with the agencies. The agency can send the required manpower to the company. Outsourcing is the business practice of hiring a party outside a company to perform services and create goods that traditionally were performed in house by the company's own employees and staff. Outsourcing is a practice usually undertaken by companies as a cost cutting measure. Outsourcing non core activities can improve efficiency and productivity because another entity performs the smaller task better than the firm itself. Disadvantages of outsourcing. Point number one, lack of customer focus. Point number two, a threat to security and confidentiality. Point number three, dissatisfactory services. Point number four, ethical services. Point number five, conflict of interest. Point number six, lost in transaction. Point number seven, poor quality and delayed services. Lack of customer focus. Because many outsourcing agencies or freelancers tend to serve multiple clients at any given time, the work you are sending out may not be receiving the focus it deserves, depending on the processes you are outsourcing. That lack of focus could be detrimental to your small business. Point number two, a threat to security and confidentiality. In this age of data protection, it's essential that you exercise caution whenever using customer data. If you plan to outsource processes that require personal data, you could be placing the privacy of others or security of your business at risk by passing the data on to others. Point number three, dissatisfactory services. Outsourcing companies and some freelancers may often be motivated by profit rather than a job well done. That means the work you are sending out may come back quickly but will lack the standard and quality that customers have come to expect from your product or services. Point number 4, ethical issues. While it may not be an issue for everyone, a major disadvantage of outsourcing is that you may be denying your team or a talented local agency crucial work or development opportunities. Growth begets growth. And by outsourcing work, you may not be contributing to the growth of talented people. Point number 5, conflict of interest. A concern for some organization is that the company which is running the project will have a conflict of interest with the outsourcing team. However, outsourcing team aren't there to take over. The role of an outsourced or nearshore team is to offer and share their knowledge and expertise with the company rather than making a decision and create conflict with the clients. Point number 6, lost in translation. It doesn't matter whether you are dealing with an overseas freelancer or some talented expert just got up the street. But if you are handling out remote work via email or telephone, important instructions are often lost in translation. That could cause organization serious time, money, and hassles. Point number 7, hidden cost. Although outsourcing work is generally considered cheaper, business must also be aware of getting ripped off. Outsourcing companies or big agencies will typically ask small business owners to sign up lengthy contractual agreements, and they will include plenty of fine prints. If contract terms are not read carefully, business could get hit with unexpected costs.